Traders have shown their interest in the euro even before the publication of the ECB meeting results. Notably, the single currency is still gaining in value together with the pound sterling. It seems that we are witnessing a classic scenario. The market is moving in the opposite direction ahead of an important event. Notably, the ECB is likely to remain its ultra-loose monetary policy unchanged. At the next press conference, Christine Lagarde will have to answer questions about the slump in retail sales, which occurred just after a long-awaited rise in consumer prices. In fact, the ECB's president may say that the regulator is closely monitoring the situation that causes a lot of concerns. At the same time, she may also calm down investors, adding that it's too early to jump to conclusions. It's necessary to make sure that the negative trend becomes stable. Only after that the regulator may take serious measures. It's obvious that a soft monetary policy is the only tool to solve the problem, thus the future of the euro is not that bright. Moreover, the recent insignificant rise was caused by speculators. However, the real information will be provided only during the press conference. At the same time, macroeconomic reports from the United States may prove that the country's economic situation is better than in the European Union. Although the US inflation is advancing faster than expected, it will hardly result in lower consumer activity. Moreover, the number of both first-time and continuous claims may decline. That's why consumer activity is unlikely to drop amid rising employment. The euro-dollar pair is still climbing from the support level of 1.1835. It may return to the psychological area between the levels of 1.1950 and 1.2050. Analyzing the current chart, we can see that the price is hovering near the level of 1.1950, which matches the support level locked on February 5th. The pair may slow down and drop. Traders should pay attention to this potential resistance level. The pair may fluctuate within 100 pips, however, it will hardly slide below 1.1850. The pound-dollar pair is also climbing from the support level of 1.3785. Market participants are moving towards the lower limit of the psychological area between 1.3950 and 1.4050. Analyzing the trading chart, we can see that traders are focused on the psychological level of 1.40. Thus, trading strategies are based on a rebound or a break. In the second case, traders should also wait until the price consolidates above 1.4050 on the 4-hour chart. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial and market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.